Today, I'm going to show you how to upload digital download products to Squarespace. Whether you're selling ebooks, printables, digital art, or any other downloadable content, this process will help you get your products live and ready for customers. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and their content. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the website where you want to upload your digital product. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the correct one. Simply click on that website to open its management panel. Now on the left side menu, you'll see several options. Click on Website and then look underneath it for Pages. Click on Pages to access your site's structure. This is where you'll navigate to the specific area where your products will be displayed. From here, locate and click on your shop page. This is the page that houses all your products, and it's where customers will browse and purchase your digital downloads. Clicking on it will allow you to add new items to your store. Next, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that plus icon, and from the options that appear, select Download. This tells Squarespace that you're adding a digital product rather than a physical item, which is crucial for the correct setup. Now you'll be prompted to input details about your product. Start by entering a product name that clearly describes what you're selling, then add a description that provides more information about the product, its features, and what customers will receive. This description helps buyers understand the value of your digital download. Moving on to images, click the plus icon in the Images section to add a visual representation of your product. For this tutorial, we'll use Select from Library, browse through your library, select the picture you want to use, and click Add. A good product image can significantly impact sales, so choose something that represents your digital product well. In the Inventory section, click Upload File and upload your digital product file. This is the actual file that customers will download after purchase, so make sure it's the correct final version. Wait for the upload to complete before moving on. Then set a price for your product, consider your market, the value you're providing, and what customers are willing to pay. This pricing will be what appears on your shop page. On organization, you can create a category for your product. This helps organize your shop, especially if you plan to sell multiple digital products. Customers can filter by category to find what they're looking for more easily. Then on selling tools, you have additional options like featuring your product or linking related products. Take some time to explore these features as they can help boost visibility and cross-sell other items in your store. Once you're done setting everything up, click Save to store your changes. Then click Publish to make your digital product live on your website. Your product is now available for customers to purchase and download. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.